Food is medicine. Dr. Colleen Spees has spent years researching this, and she's here to tell us what she's found.
I have been conducting research for cancer patients along the cancer continuum. And these interventions are biobehavioral interventions that work on lifestyle behaviors that then impact the biology of patients. By encouraging and empowering patients to adopt healthier lifestyles, we then measure their biology to show improved mental and physical health outcomes. We provide healthy food provisions from here at the garden to cancer survivors and their caregivers.
Tell us about your living lab here.
The Garden of Hope is run by James Care for Life, where survivors can come out and free of charge, they can harvest for a season or two out here.
What's the goal?
To test interventions like ours that can help to empower folks to adopt healthier lifestyle behaviors that align with the evidence-based guidelines.
To learn more, visit cancer.osu.edu/blog.